Go. Not.
How y'all doing today? I hope y'all doing great, because we doing
great.
Period. So today, my son came up with this lovely idea that I really do not want to try. I'm not even excited for this.
Yes.
Like, I like to eat things that taste good, and I know that's going to taste good. Like, I'm not saying that this is going to taste good, but I just feeling that it's not going to taste good. So, it's Makai's idea. So, Makai, what are we doing?
It's a TikTok nature cereal. It's a combination of coconut water, ice, and berries, blackberries and raspberries.
So I guess take a seat and watch us try this. All right. So, Makai, how do we do this? What do we do first?
I don't know. I guess you just do it like cereal.
But what is the ice for? When do we put the ice in?
You could put it in with the berries.
So we put berries. Okay.
Put the berries first.
Have some raspberries.
It's like cereal.
These raspberries does not look appetizing. They look like they have little hairs on them.
Yeah.
And I'm not feeling them. I don't want to do this.
I'm gonna get hair. I'm afraid I'm gonna get hair on my chin.
Girl.
And
This is not gonna be so good.
It's gonna be delicious.
You bet you lie.
The ice is just not.
It's throwing you off, right?
I don't know why.
That's what happened to me too. It just
okay. So
ice. Now you just put the berries. It's like mixing cereals. You got 3 different cereals. You're gonna mix them and then add the milk.
yeah. So now I'm adding the blackberries.
I love them.
Berries. I actually never had a raspberry and a blackberry.
Is that the same color as raspberry?
What about you, Mom?
I think so. I don't know. It ain't something like a fruit that people, I guess normal people. I mean, I don't know if you're normal. If you eat these, you love them. I didn't grow up on them. So, I think that looks... I think I need more raspberries.
It looks like you have 5.
So, bam.
Now you just add the ice.
Now, let's close these. Get these out the way. Now I have some lovely
ice.
Wawa's ice. So we're gonna put this ice in here with our berries.
I don't feel it. Don't get it. Don't feel it.
How much ice do we need?
As much as you want.
Oh no! Don't.
It's as much as you want. It's your preference on how much berries.
Okay.
Now
we take our coconut water.
I don't feel too good about this.
Mom, you ever had coconut water?
Yeah.
Did you like it?
I smell it. Can I smell it, Mom?
What does it smell like?
It smells like bread roasted.
No, it don't.
Roasted bread.
So we just pour this in here? Like how much?
You like cereal.
I don't eat a lot of milk in my cereal, so.
I even smell it.
Okay.
So I guess
Again.
we have.
So this is what it looks like when it's done. Thumbnail. Okay.
I was afraid I was going to drop my cereal.
Makai, put your plate back up there. I don't know why, but I just feel like I need more ice. I don't know why, but I just feel
I
like.
wouldn't eat the ice.
Cold.
Sorry, pick it up. Okay. All right. You want more ice?
No, shit.
Well,
Should be
you don't
okay.
know. Okay. So, let's try it. Come on, Makai. This your idea. You ain't about to do like last time with the jalapenos. That was your idea, and you let us eat it first. So, let's come on.
Okay.
I really don't understand.
Supposed to eat it all together. Like
All
blackberry ice and a raspberry.
Blackberry ice and
The
a raspberry.
the coconut water tastes good. Actually, it tastes like milk,
Okay.
but it tastes like frosted flakes.
I want to get a little. Why are these raspberries so much bigger than the? I mean the blue, whatever. All right, here we go.
Coconut water tastes good.
Ready?
Yep.
Set.
Wait,
First
I didn't
bite.
even have ice.
Okay.
Go. Not. It's not that bad.
It's not good.
It's like blueberry yogurt. That's what I'm getting. Like blueberry yogurt. Right, it's not that bad. It's cold. It's not that. I like it.
So I thought it would taste better than that, but when you hit to the blackberries, I don't know what is happening. It's like a red cereal into
It's kind of sour.
a sweet.
It's real sour.
I'm just gonna.
It has these seeds
Yeah, that I almost swallowed.
in the blackberries, and it tastes like perfume to me.
You taste perfume.
You tasted perfume.
You know when perfume accidentally get in your mouth.
I'm in water.
You gotta finish it, Mom.
Mm-mm.
Let's take one. Let's take one just of the
I
raspberry.
can't do it. It tastes like perfume.
Just one of the
Why
raspberries.
are you not eating? This is your idea. You just want me to eat it. I'm not about to sit here and just eat this mess. Talking about this nature cereal. For one, how is it nature cereal? It's no ice.
Because you eating it in the wintertime.
Is berries in the winter?
Oh.
How is this nature cereal? Who came up with this?
TikTok.
Somebody on TikTok. Why are you still eating it?
She like it.
No, she eating the water.
Now taste one just of the raspberry.
I can't. The taste.
Okay, I'll
Just
taste
the red
it.
one. Just the red one.
I'll taste it. Jeez.
Just eat it.
I tasted it.
No.
I tasted it. That I tasted it. Let's see, look, vlog, I'm tasting it. I'm tasting it for sure.
Stop.
The coconut water juice kind of tastes like milk.
Goodbye.
Ew.
Goodbye.
That junk
We
is
not
so...
eating you no more. Goodbye. Fish. Goodbye. We not eating you no more. Why?
What was wrong with it?
You know what was wrong with it.
No, I didn't. What was wrong with it, Mom?
Ew.
What was wrong with the raspberry? Don't taste like yogurt.
It tastes like perfume
I thought the
in a
blackberry.
bowl.
I thought the blackberry tasted like perfume.
It all tastes like perfume.
We're just gonna put this. Goodbye.
Knocked her headband off. Yeah, but this one ain't for me.
It's alright.
You eat the whole bowl then.
Yeah, you keep saying it's
Eat the
alright.
whole
This is your
bowl then.
idea. You just sitting there just cheering us on. Eat some more. Eat some more.
You only took 2 bites.
I
We
ate
took
some.
you like 3, 8, 5.
I ate it first, then I went
Eat
inside.
the whole thing.
I was.
You better eat your food, anime. Go. Mama.
Sorry. Eat it dead Alice.
It's alright.
Eat the whole cereal.
Yeah.
Get a lot of them.
It's a small spoon, man.
Eat some with ice.
You
Eat
don't
some
like
with
it. Look
ice.
at his face.
No, I do like it. It's
Y'all see his face. He don't like it.
It's just sour.
It's not good. It's not good.
It's alright.
It is probably healthy, but it's not for me. It's not for Majesty. Makai's pretending it for him to be for him.
So everybody can try it on YouTube. It says nasty, and then everybody in the comments, they gonna be like, Makai, you not wrong. You should throw this out the earth.
It's alright. It's the berries are kind of sour. That's it.
This is the shortest mukbang I've ever did. And yeah, so I don't know. Comment down below if you like this video, because I really didn't. I have to go brush my teeth. I have the most nastiest taste in my mouth. It's so disgusting. Make sure you comment. I said that already. See, I need to go.
It's alright. I don't know what's
Please
wrong
make
with
sure
it.
you like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell if you want to get more of these videos.
I said hit that notification
Girl.
bell.
Yeah. Bye.
Bang, guys, and subscribe, like, comment, and share. Hit that notification bell. Comment in the comments below if you love us or not.
More so if you love us.
Straightly.
No. Period.
Period. But we love y'all too. I hope you stay safe. So bye.